All right, and we are live. Welcome to BitBlock Code. And yes, I am definitely learning Python. I am not trying to teach Python, just to be clear. So since we got that out of the way, let's check out codewars.com and let's work on a problem. Let's tackle maybe like a 7. Let's just warm up with a 7 and see how it goes. So we're doing progress. Let's do something I have not trained on before. Pick 7, and let's sort by like positive feedback. All right. Oh, that's weird. My languages. Let's just go to Python. Okay, largest pair sum an array. So click that. Okay, given a sequence of numbers, find the largest pair sum in the sequence. So which 2 pairs are the highest sum? Okay. Well, give me a second to think about this while we enter everything into our local code editor here. Let's just pull this test case here, which is the one they actually used right here. So, okay, it's actually just throwing in the intervals. Yes, that's pretty easy. So let's just do that. Okay. Or not throwing in the intervals. I meant it's passing in the actual interval itself, or the actual integers, I should say, the list. Okay. So since these are all integers, I think we can just sort for the highest 2, correct? The highest 2. So if we sliced these, can I slice these first? Let's just numbers. What if I just did? What does that return? Oh, 10, 14, 2. Do I gotta sort these first? Is that what it wants me to do? 2, 10, 14. So it's sorting from the left to the right. I'm really bad at slicing. I just kind of guess a lot. Do you guys do that too? All right, so I think this did it. So it's saying like start from the left, or excuse me, start from the right, take the 2 closest to the right. So 1, 2, right? So if I did that and then I actually just sum this, would that work out for you? Yeah, I think it would, right? Let's just throw this in there. I guess that's it. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Yeah, I guess. Vote it up. And largest. Oh, they imported heap. I haven't used this collection. Is it called a collection? I haven't used that import before. I've read about it. There's like n largest and then n smallest. So that's interesting. So it's like, I think it's saying like it wants 2. It's taking 2 of the largest in this interval. That's actually really cool. I like that. That's kind of cool. Let's just see if it works for us. Let's test it out. Yeah, that's pretty sick. It's pretty smooth. Heap Q. What does heap Q mean? Heap Q. It's a module of a heap Q. Heap Q. Oh, it actually is Q algorithm, also known as the priority queue algorithm. If I does Wikipedia help me understand this? Priority queue is an abstract data science data type similar to a regular queue or static data structure? All right, it's a little above my lack of computer science knowledge. I don't know. This doesn't even look like Python. Is this C? Okay, cool. Well, a little above my head, but so this collection here, or this module seems like there's some really nice functions here. These are probably the most common. I don't know, what do they, I guess they do them in alphabetical order, but I wish they did them in like the most popular ones at the top or something in the documentation. That'd be cool. So n largest, so it's taking n, where n largest elements, and then an iterable. It can also take a key, and I'm guessing the key could be a function as well. So this is pretty cool. I'll have to like dig into this more. Okay, cool. Well, that was that. That was pretty easy. So let's go back. Try another one real quick. So we're doing, let's do positive feedback. Oh, sorry guys. Languages. Let's make sure we just go to Python. Progress. Something I have not trained on yet. But let's just do 7s right now. I don't want to be challenged too hard. JavaScript array filter. Alright, there's a built-in filter function that operates similar to JS's filter. Oh. Filter. I don't know about this. Filter. Okay, that's interesting. So I like working in VS Code. It's just a lot better, guys. It's just a lot better. All right. So return. Is that how it works? Filter, and then now it's the function. It's taking a function. Can we do lambda? X divided by 2. What are we returning? Just evens? 2, 4, 6. Those are evens. 2 divided by 2 equals 0, right? Because if we left it like this, odds would return true, right? The odd ones would be equal to 1, and that would return, that would be truthy. So divided by 2, we want this to actually equal 0, right? To be even. And then now we're going to pass in the iterable, which would be the array. So what does that do? Oh, filter. It wants a list, right? So if we just pass in this list, 2, 4, 6. I think we did it. Oh, no. I don't understand. I don't understand this error code module. Oh, from solution. Do we have to import something? No, these are built-ins, aren't they? Built-in. These are built-ins. See iter tools, filter. Okay, what if we actually just did the, was that called an expressive list? Is that called an expressive list? Oh, I see the error. Do you see the error? That's weird. I don't know how that happened. Did I do that? Oh. I don't know what happened here. Maybe that's like a... Let's go back and make this a list. Because that's the output it's looking for. And that's it. Okay, so I think I just maybe accidentally deleted this S in there. I don't know how that happened. And submit it. Okay, so it didn't, this top answer didn't use the filter like it kind of asked. Is this what we did here? Yeah, that's exactly what we did. Which one's better practice? X and array. I feel like this is better practice, right? I don't know. For me, it's like if yeah, for sure. If you don't need to use lambda, like, which I'd rather not use lambda, right? So I like this one as far as best practice. Clever. I guess it's clever. Yeah, I guess compared to like that one. Right, that was good. Cool. All right, so we did 2 quick ones. Oh shoot. Hey buddy, I didn't notice you were in here. So it says your music is quite a bit louder than your mic. Oh, okay. I'm sorry about that. So your music is a bit louder. Thanks. I'm really new. This is like my 2nd day streaming. So let me just try to lower my music, right? How do you like these vibes? Is that better? I feel like there's a way to download an audio mixer, but that's kind of advanced for me right now. But the answer is, how do I like Code Wars? Yeah, Code Wars is pretty cool. I actually haven't used HackerRank and some of the other ones. What is it? CodeLeap? I don't even know. There's a bunch of them. But yeah, Code Wars does the trick for me. I think it's fun. I mean, there's a lot of different problems, different challenging ones. Sometimes I'm in the mood for like, you know, doing simple, easy ones. Used to do only caddies, never lead coder this. I don't know Caddis. Caddis. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's interviewing. Yeah, okay. And hire only the best. Oh, this is cool. Wow. That's really cool. So it's more like interviewing. Yeah. So I think that's what a lot of these are. It's a test site. It's terrible for learning, unlike Code Wars. Yeah, exactly. So Code Wars, I like it because like I'm kind of learning a lot. Like I'm so new to Python, like it's insane. But like I feel like I'm leveling up fairly quickly in my mind because I can just kind of go through these problems. Oh, yeah. So like what's cool is like with Code Wars, I mean, like literally, I just submitted. I don't know if you saw, but like I did a problem and I submitted my answer and it said it's correct. And then you get to this screen, which is where you can like talk to. You can see like what people write, right? So you can comment. And if like I didn't understand something, I could be like, "Hey, I don't understand," right? And then they would reply, which is pretty cool. And then you can see like your answer compared to their answer right below it, which is super helpful. Yeah. So, anyways, I really like it. Okay, cool. Caddis is excellent in how it's made and works. Yeah, I'll have to check it out. That's good to know. Yeah, I appreciate that feedback. That's awesome. It has like 3,000 problems, support 30 languages. Yeah, I mean, for me, I know like 1 language. That's like Python, barely. So anyways, but that's cool. What language do you code in? Wow, good for you. Go, yeah, I heard Go's pretty awesome. Yeah, I like Go. I've never looked at Go. I hear good things. I hear good things about Rust too, but I don't know anything about that. I feel like it's I got to get 1 language down. I'm just learning here, so I don't know, but yeah, it's good stuff though. How's my mic volume? Is it pretty good? statically linked binary. Okay, cool. It's good. My mic's good. Yeah, Go compiles to Go. Yeah, I heard that. Also, like something about the Rust compiler is different as well. I'm not really sure like the specifics of it, but I like Python because there's a ton of material and resources online as far as like help and tutorials and stuff. It's so popular, right? But the syntax is really easy. I mean, it's basically like pseudocode, like writing like loop statements for X in iterable or what? That's a bad example, but you know what I'm saying. Like it's pretty easy to understand. So I don't know. I think that's cool. But you can use a cross compiler. Wow, you're way above my comprehension. I've used SQLite 3 a little bit. I did some stuff with oh man, it's not. I did Django a little bit, but I was looking more at the other more like micro framework for web stuff. Oh, I can't think of the name of it. There's Django, and then it's real lightweight. Flask. That's it. Flask. That's it. Wait, Netflix uses Flask? That's insane. Pretty cool. All right, let's do predict your age. My grandfather always predicted how old people would get, and right before he passed away, he revealed his secret. So basically, in honor of my grandfather's memory, let's write a function using his formula. Let's take this list here. And when each of your it's a list of like when each of our grandparents died. How morbid. Take a list of ages when each of your great-grandparents died. Multiply each number by itself, add them all together, take the square root of the result, divide by 2. Holy cow. Rounded to the nearest integer. This is bizarre. This is a very bizarre one, but we're gonna go with it. So predict age. So let's just do it in our code editor here. We got Jupyter notebooks running. B inserts a cell if you hit the keyboard shortcut B. So where's the test case? Is it this one right here? Let's just paste this one in. H8123. Okay, so I guess there's like one test case here. It's weird. Function using his formula. Okay, so I feel like yeah, I like coding in an IDE. Yeah, totally. It's just a lot easier. I mean, I've used Replit quite a bit. It's just not the same as like an IDE. I just feel a lot more comfortable. It's nice. Handle stand-in, submit the entire main function file. I can submit through the. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a little bit more detailed. Yeah, this stuff's pretty lightweight, like as far as submissions. Cool, I'll check it out. All right. So what am I doing here? I got a bunch of these arguments. I think are these called? So these are the arguments here, and these are called the parameters, right? So I got a bunch of arguments here. Kind can I loop through this? How would I? Oh, this is interesting. I want to do like for age in. I want to do like, I want to unpack these, you know, like I want to like grab all these. I want to grab all these inputs. That doesn't work like args, right? Like, no, that's how do I? For age in. I mean, like, multiply each number by its, take a list of ages, multiply each number by itself. I mean, can I make this a, you can't have a list on this side, right? You can't you can't do this, right? This doesn't work. This should not work, but we're gonna try it. Yeah, definitely not. So too many values to unpack. I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. So it's like, this is just like repeating ourselves too much here. I don't really like this. Let's try something. I want to try something. This looks really messy here. Can I change this and then do like chords and then kind of do like for I in how does that work here? Oh, this should be ours, right? And then I would put in. Yeah, that's not right. ARGS aspire invalid syntax. Oh, we just did one. Invalid syntax. Whoa, what am I doing here? Oh, cool. All right. Okay, so for I, which number? So just bear with me. X for X times X in R's. Take the square root, sum it. What would come first though? Let's just start here and see where I'm at. Okay, I don't even know if that's right. Okay, so I could do it in multiple steps, but I wonder, like, would an exponent come first? So the square root, take the square root of the result. I gotta use parentheses. I wanna make sure that the sum stuff happens first. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, I did something there. Take the square root, divide by 2. Do we want floor integer? Should we just make this one line? Massive one-liner. It's so massive, dude. Round it down to the nearest integer. Jeez. It's asking a lot of us. Is it 86? Oh, it is 86. You think this will pass? Let's go for it, dude. Is it gonna pass the... Oh, it passed. That's pretty crazy. So I think the key was actually taking these parameters and passing in. That's cool. I've never actually done that. That's wild. I'm glad I read about that one time. Oh, you don't need to actually use the word args. That's wild. Okay, that's cool. All right, so this was a cool one. So this taught me a lot. So return. So why did I have to put integer in there? Most people aren't doing that. Yeah, maybe that was unnecessary there, but okay, sum a for x times a times ages. Yeah, I mean that's floor division. Everyone's using floor division because I think that's floor division. Let's look up Python floor division. I think that rounds down, right? Floor division because floor round but round. The floor of a real number is the largest integer less than or equal to the number. Oh, so floor does round down no matter what. So, rounded down to the nearest integer. Rounded down to the, so it's like, rounded down. That's interesting. Okay, so that was the key to use the floor. They didn't want to float. So I could have probably just got rid of this. That's a float. Is that okay with this? It's gonna say float, obviously. Okay. Well, that was it. So, all right, guys, I think I am going to take a break, but it's been real. I think I learned a bit. Hopefully you guys did too. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Cheers. Peace.